Yo, 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 what's up? This is Jeremy from JJ Innovation Garage in the Peach capital of the state, baby. All right, boys and girls, I'm trying to find, there's my water. All right, boys and girls, I'm gonna just do a little walk around on the 63, let you see what I got going on. A lot of moving parts. Got the first coat of Poppy's patina sauce on the 96 F-150. Like I said, I got the first coat on it. Got to wait a little while. Going to finish up the welding on the green C10 or the 70 C10. My boy's got a bunch of stuff ordered for his 86. I think he's got shock brackets ordered. The cross member came in. You guys seen that, right? Right here's a cross member. So that's that. This is all laid out. Got a bushing order for the panhard bar. So here's a cross member for the transmission for that. And let's just get right to it on the, and the 77 Corvette. It gets delivered tomorrow. Praise Jesus on that. It gets delivered tomorrow. Check. That's one more gone, and then we'll go from there. Like I say, that's still for sale. If anybody's serious, interested in it, hit me up on it, and we'll go from there. Like I say, the 77 Corvettes get delivered tomorrow. Got the thumbs up from the DMV. So let's get right back on to this. Oh, and the let me get out of here because you probably can't hear me. The chassis for the F100, they're saying around Halloween or the first couple weeks of Thanksgiving of November. So a lot of moving parts, boys and girls. I'm happy. So let's get right to it. All right. So here's the Impala, and you can already tell. You can hear something, right? I'm thinking it's got a lifter ticking on this side. Y'all know that little trick? Do y'all know that little trick? Let me show you this little trick. You can take a screwdriver, all right? Listen on that side. I know it's got an exhaust leak. So when I do it on this side, I know it's got an exhaust leak on this side. I know that. I know that to be a fact. But when we do this right here, I don't hear no tick, 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 tick. There's a ticking on this side, right? When I put this on there like this, I can hear it. So she got a lifter ticking on that side. Might need to be a little adjusted. Might be stuck. I don't know. I don't know. But that's a little trick. All right, so it's got an exhaust leak on this side. There's a lot of stuff going on. You can see got some little shaking going on. So I've let it run for just a little bit. So let's turn it off. I mean, so that's that. All right. So just a little update on this. He's got a, like I said before, he said he's got some kind of parasitic draw. So you have to unhook the battery. I mean, you got a little stuff hanging around. Got this. I mean, nothing crazy. You know what I mean? But he wants air conditioner. Wants a lot of stuff. Wants this. I mean, there's a list, right? Got a disc brake conversion. There's something grabbing the bags when it goes to pick it up. It grabs on this side and something's binding up, and then all of a sudden it gets a lot of pressure on it, and bam, it jumps up. So I don't know what's holding it. Like I said, I got it up here where I can get it on the lift. I think this front wheel bearing's going bad. I think there's a knocking going on up here, so I'm gonna take that off and check and see. And yeah, I'm barefooted. You got the steering. I'll show you this. It's got some issues going on the steering. See, the steering is all up into the header manifold. Just a lot of stuff going on. So the steering, you can see the steering shaft, it's in a bind. So the plan is just to make a list, and I got a list, and just start scratching off the list. Just put out one fire and go to the next one. So first thing I'm gonna do is get it up on the lift and see what's going on in this front wheel. Figure out that, look at the airbags, see if there's something binding up on that. Also, I'd like to say this too. The air ride is really slow, the air suspension. And one reason why it's really slow is because of that right there. Those compressors, all right? And then also the lines are small. So going to clean all this up, pull this out, see what's going on, check everything, check the voltage at the relays. You know, those are Air Max 480s. I'm just gonna be honest with you. They're loud. They're just not good compressors. And also when you discharge the air, it discharges into the cab, and it smells like a spare tire. This is the switch for the compressors to turn it on and off. So that, and then you see the steering. Like I say, there's a lot of moving parts, but I just want to let y'all see that, give you a little update on this, because I know everybody loves these. This is a 63. It is not a true SS, but it does have SS interior. So just cross off one thing at a time, and we'll go from there. So recap on the F-150, going to put another coat on it tomorrow. Going to try to put about 4 coats on that, maybe 5. Got to deliver the Corvette. It gets delivered tomorrow. Going to finish welding up the top on the green 70 C10. Got that going on. He's got a bunch of stuff ordered for that. Chassis for the 61 Ford box truck. Hopefully Tim Tooley from over at Fat Man said it, they're working on it. But everybody's got to realize now, all the ports potentially, a bunch of them's already shut down, but ports on the eastern seaboard and the Gulf, they're going on strike. So yay us. So it is what it is. So I appreciate every single one of you. And remember what I said, boys and girls, don't worry about the man up the road. Don't worry about the man down the road. Sweep off your own front porch while sweeping off anybody else's. Put God first at loose end drag. Peace, some chicken grease. I'm out.